A bed frame plays a major role in both the appearance and functionality of your bedroom. The right option needs to provide reliable mattress support while also complementing the overall style of your space. In this review, we're taking a look at the Casper Aurora Bed Frame, an upholstered platform bed that combines soft bouclé fabric, engineered wood construction, and a modern design aesthetic. We'll cover the materials, support system, assembly process, pricing, and policies to help you decide whether it's the right fit for your bedroom. If you'd like to learn more about available sizes, current pricing, or color options in Canada, you'll find those details linked in the description below. The Casper Aurora Bed Frame is aimed at shoppers who want an upholstered bed frame that places as much emphasis on texture as it does on mattress supports. Rather than relying on decorative details or oversized features, the design uses bouclé upholstery and cushioned surfaces to create a softer overall appearance. Available in twin, full, queen, and king sizes, the bed frame includes the headboard, surrounding frame, and integrated slat system, creating a complete mattress support solution without requiring a separate box spring. While the Aurora is clearly designed to make a visual impact, Casper also highlights durability and simplified assembly as important parts of the ownership experience. The Casper Aurora Bed Frame combines engineered wood, upholstery, and cushioning materials to create a fully upholstered platform bed. The internal frame and slat system are made from engineered wood, while the legs use rubberwood, providing the structural support needed for the overall design. What separates the Aurora from a standard platform bed is its bouclé upholstery. Made from 100% polyester, the fabric covers both the headboard and surrounding frame, creating a textured appearance that differs noticeably from exposed wood or metal designs. Casper also incorporates polyurethane foam and polyester fiber beneath the upholstery. This padding softens the headboard and frame, creating a more cushioned surface for anyone who likes to sit up in bed to read or watch television. The Aurora includes an integrated slat system as a part of the frame itself, allowing it to support a mattress directly without requiring a separate box spring or foundation. The Aurora bed frame is clearly designed with appearance in mind. Rather than relying on exposed wood or metal accents, Casper wraps both the headboard and surrounding frame in bouclé upholstery that creates a softer, more textured look. Casper currently offers the Aurora in a single beige color option. While there isn't much room for customization, the neutral tone works well with a wide range of bedroom styles and color palettes, from lighter contemporary spaces to darker, more traditional interiors. The rubberwood legs add a natural contrast against the upholstered frame while helping break up the fabric-covered design. Combined with the texture of the bouclé upholstery, the results feel contemporary without becoming overly trend-focused. The padded headboard serves as the visual centerpiece, giving the bed a softer profile than many traditional frame designs. For shoppers who want the bed to anchor the look of the room, the Aurora creates a warm and welcoming focal point. Because of its textured upholstery, clean silhouette, and cohesive design, the Casper Aurora bed frame earns a design and aesthetic score of 8.5 out of 10. While the Aurora bed frame places a significant emphasis on upholstery and comfort, Casper also incorporates several features intended to provide reliable mattress support over the long term. The frame is built around an engineered wood structure and includes a reinforced center rail designed to help distribute weight more evenly across the bed. Additional support legs positioned beneath the center of the frame help strengthen the overall structure. This type of reinforcement is common in platform beds because it reduces stress on the slat system while improving support across the sleeping surface. The integrated slat system is designed to support a mattress directly without requiring a separate box spring or foundation. Combined with the reinforced center support, the slats help create a stable foundation for everyday use. The combination of engineered wood, rubberwood legs, and additional support components gives the Aurora a solid structural foundation beneath its upholstered exterior. Because of its reinforced support system and durable construction materials, the Casper Aurora bed frame earns a support and durability score of 9 out of 10. Casper designed the Aurora bed frame with assembly simplicity in mind. The frame arrives in 2 boxes containing the upholstered headboard, frame components, support structure, hardware, and slat system needed for setup. One of the most convenient features is the Velcro roll-out slat system. Rather than positioning individual slats one at a time, the connected design allows the support system to be rolled directly into place, simplifying one of the more time-consuming parts of bed frame assembly. Casper also describes the instructions as straightforward, with the overall process intended to be approachable for most homeowners. Once assembled, the integrated slat system creates a complete mattress foundation without requiring a separate box spring. Between the rollout slat design, organized packaging, and simplified assembly process, the Casper Aurora bed frame earns an ease of assembly score of 9 out of 10. The Casper Aurora bed frame is available in twin, full, queen, and king sizes. Pricing varies by size, with the queen model priced at approximately $999. The Aurora sits above many basic bed frames in terms of cost, but the price includes the upholstered headboard, surrounding frame, and integrated slat system required to support a mattress without a separate box spring. For the most current pricing and available promotions, it's worth checking Casper's website directly. The Casper Aurora bed frame includes a 30-night furniture trial and a 2-year limited warranty. The trial period allows shoppers to experience the bed frame in their own home before making a long-term commitment. If the frame isn't the right fit, Casper's customer care team can assist with the return process. Casper's 2-year limited bed frame warranty covers defects in materials, poor workmanship, and other issues that may naturally occur during normal use. For routine maintenance, Casper recommends spot cleaning the bouclé upholstery with warm water and a cloth before allowing it to air dry. The Casper Aurora bed frame is designed for shoppers who want more than a simple mattress foundation. Its upholstered bouclé design, padded headboard, and neutral color palette allow it to function as a statement piece while remaining versatile enough for a variety of bedroom styles. The combination of engineered wood construction, reinforced center support, and an integrated slat system provides the structural support expected from a modern platform bed. Features like the rollout slat system also help simplify the assembly process. For shoppers who appreciate upholstered furniture and want a bed frame that emphasizes comfort and texture, the Aurora offers a distinctive blend of style and practicality. If you'd like to check current pricing, available sizes, or additional product information in Canada, you can find those links in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions.